Planning a trip to Kuala Lumpur and thinking all five-star hotels are expensive. What if I tell you some of the best luxury stays cost way less than you think? All the hotels in this list cost roughly between rupee 5,000 to rupee 15,000 per night. That's around $60 to $150. And wait till you see my number one pick, totally worth it. But here's the real problem, picking the right hotel in Kuala Lumpur isn't that easy. Which hotel is actually worth your money? Do you choose a prime location near Petronas Twin Towers or Bukit Bintang to save time? Or trust big global brands hoping for a consistent experience? Can you really rely on guest reviews for cleanliness, staff, breakfast, comfort? Do luxury facilities like pools, spas, and skyline views actually matter? Or are they just for show? And most importantly, are you paying for real value? Or just the brand name? When I planned my trip, I had the same questions. So I didn't just pick randomly, I chose my stay based on what actually matters. In this video, I've ranked the top 10 5-star hotels in Kuala Lumpur, all luxury stays that are surprisingly affordable. So you don't waste time researching and don't regret your booking. Watch till the end, your perfect hotel might be waiting at number 1. Hotel booking links are available in the description below. Before we jump into the list, I didn't rank these randomly, I used 5 key factors. First, location. Hotels around KLCC and Bukit Bintang always win because they save you time. Second, brand trust. Names like Shangri-La Hotels and Resorts and Pullman Hotels and Resorts are usually more reliable. Third, real guest reviews, especially for cleanliness, staff, and breakfast. I checked platforms like TripAdvisor to see what people actually say. Fourth, facilities and overall experience. Things like pools, spas, lounges, the full luxury feel. And finally, value for money. Because a 5-star hotel should actually feel worth it. Now, here's the important part. I didn't just research these hotels. I actually stayed in Kuala Lumpur. So this list is based on what really matters. So if you want to avoid bad choices and save time, this will help you pick the right hotel. Let's start with number 10. Starting at number 10, Golden Palm Tree Sepang. Located in Sepang near Kuala Lumpur International Airport, this is a great option if you want a quick luxury escape or a relaxing layover stay away from the city rush. What really stands out here is its unique palm-shaped over-water villa design, giving you that Maldives-style vibe without leaving Malaysia. Add to that a private beach, pool with a view, spa, and peaceful sunrise-sunset experience, and it feels like a proper resort getaway. Guests consistently highlight the friendly staff, smooth check-in experience, and excellent breakfast spread with lots of variety and fresh options. It's also a great place to just slow down, relax, and spend quality time, especially if you're traveling with family. Best for layover travelers near the airport, couples and families looking for a quiet resort stay, anyone who wants a peaceful offbeat experience. Why it's ranked number 10? Here's the honest reason. While the resort experience is beautiful, location is its biggest drawback. It's around 60 kilometers away from central Kuala Lumpur hotspots like Petronas, Twin Towers, and Bukit Bintang, and not very convenient via public transport. Also, if you're expecting crystal blue water, that's not the case here. The sea is more sandy and brown since it's built on tidal flats. If your goal is city exploration, this is not ideal. But if you want a unique, peaceful resort experience near the airport, it's absolutely worth it. So, great resort, but because of the location, it takes the number 10 spot. Coming in at number 9, M Resort and Hotel Kuala Lumpur. Located in Damansara Bukit Kiara, this is a great option if you want a peaceful stay that's still relatively close to the city, without the chaos of central Kuala Lumpur. What stands out here is the overall modern luxury experience at a very reasonable price. You get spacious, clean rooms, super comfortable beds, a large pool, gym, and a premium feel throughout the property. Guests consistently highlight the friendly and professional staff, smooth check in, and spotless housekeeping. And one big plus, the breakfast buffet, which offers a wide variety and is often praised as a highlight of the stay. Best for families and staycations, especially with kids, travelers who want a calm, resort like vibe, anyone looking for premium experience at a good price. This hotel is especially great for families with a kids club, child friendly pool, and lifeguard supervision, making it both fun and safe. Why it's ranked number 9? Here's the honest take. While the hotel itself is excellent, it's not in the main tourist hub like Petronas Twin Towers or Bukit Bintang. So if your focus is walking distance to attractions, shopping, and nightlife, this location can feel slightly less convenient compared to higher ranked hotels. Value verdict. For the price, this is one of the best value 5-star stays in Kuala Lumpur, offering comfort, facilities, and service that truly feel premium. A fantastic hotel with great value, but because it's slightly away from the main tourist areas, it takes the number 9 spot. Coming in at number 8 star KLCC by Arman. Located right in Kuala Lumpur city center, KLCC. This is a fantastic option if you want to stay just steps away from iconic landmarks like the Petronas Twin Towers, literally within walking distance. What truly stands out here is the unbeatable location plus stunning rooftop infinity pool. The pool on the 69th floor offers a direct view of the Petronas Towers, making it one of the most Instagram-worthy experiences in the city. The rooms are spacious, modern, and apartment style, which makes them perfect for longer stays. Guests also consistently appreciate the helpful host, smooth check-in, and quick response to any requests, making the overall experience very comfortable. Best for couples and families, travelers who want KLCC location on a budget, content creators, photo lovers. You're surrounded by restaurants, convenience stores, and KLCC Mall, plus easy access to transport, making it extremely convenient for exploring the city. Why it's ranked number 8? Here's the honest reason. Even though the location and views are incredible, this is not a traditional hotel. It's more of a serviced apartment setup. That means experience can vary depending on the host. Service consistency is not the same as big hotel brands. Some small issues like room utilities can occur. If you want luxury views, prime location, and great space at a lower price, this is a smart pick. Amazing location and views, but slightly less consistent than full-service hotels. That's why it takes the number 8 spot. Coming in at number 7, Star at KLSEC by EAE. Located in KLSEC, just a short walk from the iconic Petronas Twin Towers. This is a great option if you want prime location with incredible skyline views. What really stands out here is the multiple high-floor swimming pools, especially the rooftop views that give you a stunning perspective of the Twin Towers, both day and night. It's easily one of those places where you can just relax and enjoy the city vibe. The apartments are spacious and well-equipped, with a full living area and kitchen, making it ideal for longer stays. Guests also appreciate the helpful host, luggage storage support, and smooth overall experience. Best for couples and groups looking for space. Travelers who want KLCC views without paying premium hotel prices. Relaxed stays with a mix of comfort plus location. Why it's ranked number 7? Here's the honest take. While the location and views are excellent, the room quality and maintenance can be inconsistent. Some guests have mentioned cleanliness issues, Bedding quality not always up to 5-star standards. Occasional maintenance concerns. So while the experience can be great, it's not always as reliable as higher ranked hotels. For the location, space, and views, it offers good value, especially compared to expensive KLSC hotels. But inconsistency in room quality keeps it at number 7. Next up is number 6. Now we start getting into more reliable premium hotel experiences. Coming in at number 6, Berjaya Times Square Hotel, Kuala Lumpur. And this one is special because this is where I personally stayed during my Kuala Lumpur trip. When I was planning my trip, I had one main priority. I didn't want to waste time traveling back and forth. And honestly, this hotel solved that problem perfectly. Why this location is a game changer. It's right in the heart of Bukit Bintang. And here's what that actually means in real life. You can literally walk to Jalan Alor for street food at night. The hotel is directly connected to a huge mall, so food, shopping, everything is downstairs. And one of the biggest reasons I chose this, my KL day tour pickup was right outside the hotel. No rushing, no stress, no waking up extra early. The rooms are very spacious, much bigger than typical hotel rooms. I had a comfortable stay, and the city views at night were actually really nice, with even a glimpse of the Petronas Twin Towers. Daily housekeeping, strong Wi-Fi, and a good breakfast spread, everything was solid. Best for first-time visitors, families' big rooms really help. Anyone who wants maximum convenience plus zero travel stress. This hotel is not the most modern or luxurious compared to others on this list. You might notice slightly older interiors, small maintenance issues here and there. Not that premium luxury feel. Why it's ranked number 6? Because it absolutely wins in location and convenience, but falls slightly behind in modern luxury experience. If you're someone like me who values location, ease, and practicality, this is honestly a very smart choice. For me, this stay made my trip smoother, and that's exactly why it deserves the number 6 spot. Next up is number 5. Now we step into more polished, luxury level experiences. Coming in at number 5, Tropicana, the Residence Kuala Lumpur by Wyatt. Located right in KLCC, just a few steps from the iconic Petronas Twin Towers, this is a perfect choice if you want premium location with spacious luxury living. What really stands out here is the combination of space, views, and location. You get large apartment-style rooms, often with 2 bedrooms, living area, kitchen, and even washing machine, making it ideal for longer stays or families. And the biggest highlight? The rooftop pool with direct views of the Twin Towers, one of the most stunning experiences in Kuala Lumpur, especially at night. Guests also love clean, well-maintained rooms, quick and helpful host response, walking distance to Surya KLCC Mall, views of KL Tower and even Merdeka 118 from the room. Best for families and groups, longer stays. Travelers who want space plus luxury plus KLCC location. You're literally 5 minutes walking distance from KLCC, surrounded by shopping, cafes, and everything you need, making it both luxurious and super convenient. Since this is service residence, not a full hotel, check-in experience can vary slightly. Some minor amenities like slippers, trash bins may not always be standard. Experience depends on the host. Why it's in top 5? Here's the key reason. This property delivers a rare combination: prime KLCC location, massive room space much bigger than hotels, iconic skyline plus Twin Tower views, strong value for money for groups. Most hotels in this location charge much higher for similar space, which makes this a smart luxury choice. If you're traveling with family or want more space without paying ultra-luxury prices, this is an excellent pick. Luxury location, massive space, and unbeatable views. That's why it comfortably makes it into the top 5. Next up is number 4. Now we move into more premium, full-service hotel experiences. Coming in at number 4, the Muse KLCC Kuala Lumpur by Wyatt. Located in the heart of KLCC, just a short walk from the iconic Petronas Twin Towers. This is a perfect choice if you want prime location with a calm, less crowded environment. What really stands out here is the balance of space, cleanliness, and peaceful experience. The apartments are large, well-maintained, and thoughtfully designed, making them feel more comfortable than many standard hotel rooms. Best for families and long stays. Travelers who want quiet comfort near KLCC. People who prefer space over compact hotel rooms. The location is a hidden advantage. Just 5 minutes walk to KLCC, yet away from heavy tourist crowds. Supermarket, cafes, and essentials right next door. This gives you both convenience plus peace, which is rare in KLCC. Why number 4? Here's the honest reason. Even though it delivers an excellent overall experience, it still lacks full hotel-style luxury services, strong global brand backing, complete consistency like top-tier hotels. The top 3 hotels will offer more premium, polished, and reliable 5-star experience. For the location, space, and comfort, this is an exceptional value pick, especially for families or longer stays. Spacious, clean, and perfectly located with a peaceful vibe. That's why it takes the number 4 spot. Next up is number 3. Now we enter true luxury hotel territory. Coming in at number 3, Arte by Thomas Chan. Located in Mont Kiara Sri Hartamas. This is not just a hotel, it's an experience in itself. What truly sets this place apart is its unique boutique luxury design. Every corner, from hallways to rooms to bathrooms, feels like a piece of art, almost like staying inside a modern castle. What makes it special? Ultra stylish, Instagram-worthy interiors, premium, artistic rooms with stunning views, beautiful dining spaces with skyline views, a luxury vibe that feels completely different from standard hotels. Guests often say, "You don't just stay here, you experience it." Best for couples and honeymoon stays, content creators, aesthetic lovers, luxury travelers who want something unique, not typical. The night views from the rooms and dining areas are absolutely stunning, and the overall ambience makes it feel like a destination in itself, not just a place to sleep. Location is slightly away from central KLCC, note walkable to main attractions. More of a boutique luxury stay than traditional hotel feel. Why it's ranked number 3? Here's the key reason. This hotel delivers something very few properties can. A truly unique luxury design experience. Strong premium feel at a relatively affordable price. A stay that is memorable, not just comfortable. But because it's not in the main KLCC area, it loses a few points on location compared to the top 2. If you want something visually stunning, luxurious, and different, this is 100% worth it. Coming in at number 2, Pullman Kuala Lumpur City Centre Hotel and Residences. Located right in Bukit Bintang, just steps from Pavilion Mall and walking distance to the Petronas Twin Towers, this hotel offers one of the most strategic locations in Kuala Lumpur. What makes it special? This hotel is all about balance, location, comfort, and value. Prime location, shopping, food, and attractions all nearby. Spacious, modern rooms and serviced apartments. Excellent breakfast spread with wide variety. Professional, reliable service, strong global brand trust. Guests consistently highlight clean, comfortable rooms, friendly and helpful staff. Quiet, relaxing stay despite central location. Best for families and couples, first-time visitors, travelers who want everything nearby without compromising comfort. The residence and apartment option is a big plus, giving you extra space plus kitchenette, which is perfect for longer stays. Why it's ranked number 2? Here's the key reason. This hotel delivers the best overall balance, prime central location Bukit Bintang plus KLCC access, trusted global brand Pullman hotels and resorts. Consistent service quality, strong facilities plus great breakfast, excellent value for what you get. It does everything really well with almost no major downside. Why not number one? While it's extremely solid in every aspect, it doesn't have that wow or ultra luxury edge compared to the number one hotel. If you want a safe, smart, and well balanced 5-star stay, this is one of the best choices in Kuala Lumpur. Perfect location, strong brand, and great value. That's why it takes the number 2 spot. Now get ready for number 1, the best luxury stay in Kuala Lumpur. And finally, coming in at number 1, Shangri-La Kuala Lumpur, located in the heart of the city, close to both KLCC and Bukit Bintang. This hotel is the ultimate choice if you want true 5-star luxury with zero compromise. What makes it special? This is where everything comes together: brand, service, luxury, and experience. A globally trusted luxury brand, Shangri-La Hotels and Resorts. Exceptional service culture, staff friendliness is next level. Premium facilities, pool, spa, gym, and executive lounge. One of the best breakfast experiences in Kuala Lumpur. Guests consistently highlight warm, personalized service staff go out of their way. Spacious, elegant rooms perfect for families. Club lounge access with afternoon tea, evening cocktails and canapes. Huge variety of high-quality breakfast options. Best for luxury travelers. Families who want comfort plus premium service. Anyone who wants a stress-free, reliable 5-star experience. The service is the real standout here. From reception to restaurant to housekeeping, everything feels polished, personal, and premium. This is not just a stay, it's a complete luxury experience. Why it's ranked number 1? Here's the key reason. This hotel delivers the most complete 5-star experience in Kuala Lumpur. Strong global luxury brand trust. Consistent, high-quality service. Top-tier facilities and dining. Perfect balance of location plus comfort. It may not be the cheapest, but for what you get, it offers true luxury value and peace of mind. If you want the best combination of luxury, comfort, and reliability, this is it. That's why Shangri-La Kuala Lumpur takes the number 1 spot. So now you know the top 10 best 5-star hotels in Kuala Lumpur, based on location, reviews, and real value. Let me know in the comments, which hotel would you choose? And if this helped you plan your trip, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guides.